Hello, I'm Refashionista Sheri, and I am super extra excited today. And I know that sounds impossible, but I truly am. And that is because today, October 17th at 9 p.m. on CTV, my episode of Battle of the Generations is finally going to air. And if, like me, you do not have cable TV in Canada, you can watch it tomorrow on the CTV website and app. And yeah, that's when I'll be watching it as well. So we can watch it together, I guess. But you know what? I think it's time that we meet my fellow contestants.
I'm Tope, I'm 25 years old, representing Gen Z. I'm originally from Winnipeg, Manitoba. I'm a content creator and I'm about to make this competition blow up. These other generations need to watch out because my content might be comedy, but my trivia game is serious.
I'm Juicebox. I'm a 34-year-old millennial. I'm from Toronto, Ontario, and I am here for my redemption. Some of you may remember me from Canada's Drag Race Season 1, where I was first to go home, but today I'm leaving with the cash. So grab a straw and drink it in, because this juice box is here to win.
I'm Sheri, a 49-year-old Gen Xer from Toronto, Ontario. I am here to show the world that Gen X actually exists. It doesn't simply go Gen Z, Millennial, Boomer. We are here and we are awesome. Most of us anyways. I know everything. I'm hoping. Fingers crossed. Let's hope. Let's hope I know everything.
Hi, I'm Bruce. I'm a 66-year-old boomer from Gravenhurst, Ontario. At 66, I can power nap anywhere, anytime, and be fresh as a daisy. And on behalf of boomers everywhere, I'm here to tell all the other generations that for all of the things that we've ever given you, you're welcome.
As you can see, I was in a group of the most amazingly awesome people, and I really don't know why they put me in there because I don't think of myself as on the same level as these people. These are actual famous Canadians, and then there's little old me. But you know what? You will definitely have to watch the episode. If you've missed any of my behind the scenes, I shall link that playlist down below for you so you can, familiarize yourself with what went on before the show. And yeah, I don't know what else to say. I'm just so super excited, and let me know down below how you think I'm gonna do on the episode. I, of course, already know, but I wanna know, how do you guys think I did? Do you think I was first eliminated, second eliminated, third eliminated, or did I make it all the way to the end? You tell me, because, yeah, like I said, I know, but I wanna know what you think of these smarts in my head, these pop culture trivia smarts. Let me know what you think. And let's go out by looking at our contestant photos and reading the little bio that they put together for each of us. Okay guys, that's all I gotta say in preparation. I am so super excited, and yeah, be sure to watch the show and cheer on this Gen X refashionista.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.